Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show how we can group the layers, how we can ungroup the layers, okay? And also what is the advantage, okay? And which scenario we can use this functionality in the Photoshop while you are creating certain image when you designing something from the Photoshop, okay? Okay, let's come to the session. Okay. This is the image. Okay, I already have opened that. Okay, I try to show from this image. Okay, what is the advantage of the grouping? Okay, how we can use the group functionality. Okay, take example here. Okay, this is our image. Okay, this is our original image. I'm making disable disable this one already. Actually, I added one grouping. Okay, that's called signature. Okay, I'll try to ungroup as well. Okay. I'll show it how we can do grouping and grouping everything. Okay, just take from beginning. Okay, see this is our complete design already done. Okay, see and now this is our background. Background means this is our original image. Under this image, I created certain layer to bring some flower design. Okay, take example. This is a one layer with the flower design. Okay, so if I'm going to work some additional work in this background, so take example. I'm going to create another layer. I'm going to modify certain thing here again. See, I'm going to, I don't want entire flower. Just I need example. I'm going to take only this flower. And that maybe, I think you guys know in the last video I explained that how we can do this one also. Okay, just Control J. So when you do Control J, I am just taking only this copy. See, I am moving this one. Okay. Likewise, I'm going to take a duplicate copy of this one. How are you going to do? Just click Alt, take this one. So now one more layer also created. Hmm. Okay, just imagine now we completed this design. Okay, but if you see here, and maybe from our example, from whatever that example I'm explaining, maybe we have something few layers only with it. Okay, if maybe in future you are working certain something with 100 layers, 200 layers. Okay, that time maybe you have certain challenges to figure out that which layer belongs to which design and which portion of that one. So maybe you get certain some problem will be there. Okay, how are you going to make simplifies? We can group that certain work. Okay, take example. This is our original background, original image. Okay, see these are the flowers as a one design. We just now I showed to you. Okay, what I'm going to do, this all layer I'm going to make group. Group mean I'm not going to merge. Okay, I'm going to create one folder. I'm going to keep in that one. How are you going to do? Just select all layers. Just keep drag to the corresponding folder icon. See when I'm placing this, you can see it's automatically created with the name of default name group one. So now you can able to give one name for this one. So I'm going to give some flower work. Take example, I'm never going to touch this layer, okay, till that design going to finish. That's the reason I'm making a group this one. If you want make invisible as well, I'm going done invisible, okay. And one more example also I will show here. See, these are one text to text I added here. Okay, take example. Um, this is one signature. Okay, whenever you're doing, you guys are working certain thing, maybe you saw so many images, people will add their signature. Okay, so in this case what I'm going to do here, i I'm going to group this signature. How I'm going to do this? Same thing, drag to the folder, done. So now done. But see, still we are missing this icon, but it's not visible. We will check where it is located. See, it's available in this folder. So are we going to move this one also? Just select that one. Just I'm going to move to this folder. So now it's done. So I'm going to rename this one. How I'm going to rename this one? I'm going to give certain name, signature, done. See now I can use this group. I can use this layer for an upcoming design as well. Okay, no need to create again. So how are we going to use? See, right click, you can make duplicate this one also. Example, I'm going to duplicate this one. See, and I'm click duplicate. You can see in which document you want to paste. See, in the already I created certain PSDs. Okay, just I'm clicking here. Click OK. We can go back. We can see. See, this is signature. See, this the whatever the layer available is all layers came to our new document. So now we can use this signature. Okay, you can just simply drag. See, it somewhere else will be there. How are you going to figure out? Just Control T. Then I will show where it is. See, it came here. Just I'm going to drag this. Done. So see, this all layer. Okay, so that's all. So now I don't want this one. I'm going to remove this one. Let's come to our document. See, now we created these two groups. Okay, so under this group you can able to do ungroup as well. Just right click. If you do ungroup also, see, it's ungroup. Okay, and now another option I will show. Okay, you can able to change that folder color as well. Maybe you are doing so many groups. Okay, maybe you want to segregate certain thing. Okay, some one color may be related to background, another color related to some another area. Likewise, you can segregate that groups based on coloring also. So how are we going to do? Just go to group properties. So you can see colors. You can define certain colors. If you want, I'm going to select red. Click red. So you can see this layer belongs to red color. Sorry, this group belongs to red color. Now I'm going to change this one as well. It's going to green. See, that's all. Okay, that's all. I hope you like this quick tutorial how you going to use grouping the Photoshop. Please subscribe my channel. Please provide your comments. Okay, whatever you need, if you have any suggestion, just provide your suggestion in that comment section. Okay, thanks. Bye. And also please subscribe my channel. Okay, thanks all. Bye.